Hello friends, welcome back to another day at the animal sanctuary. We have goats and more goats. These guys love to climb on rocks, pallets, you name it. We're really lucky to be able to have these animals under our care and to spend all day with them. Watch over them, protect them, keep them safe. This is a little girl that we rescued about 6 months ago, climbing around underneath that pallet there. Lots of happy animals living here in the sanctuary. It's a rescued native pig. Getting a little shower, a little bath. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Feel free to share. We got plenty of other videos on the way. Our big resident male. He doesn't like to be pet too much, but he'll grow into it. Trying to get our large female pig to come over and enjoy some belly scratches. Again, thanks for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoy. Please come back and check us out again.